Hello, my lovely people. You are warmly welcome back to Cooking with Afia. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe and join the family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting the channel. I really appreciate you all. Today's recipe is a very delicious one, and it's one of all time Ghanaian favorite. We are making soya grilled peppered tilapia. This tilapia is smoky, spicy, juicy, and full of flavor. So relax, enjoy the process, and let's cook together. So right here we have our tilapia nicely cleaned and washed. Make sure your fish is properly scaled and gutted. Now I'm going ahead to make a few deep incisions on both sides of the fish. This cuts helps the seasoning enter properly and also help the fish cook evenly from inside. This step is very important, so don't skip it, okay? Now let's prepare a seasoning. In a bowl, I'll add some aromat or spice blend, aromat shrimp seasoning. You can also feel free to use any aromat seasoning of your choice, okay? It's the best spice on market now, so go grab yours now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add some soya spice, a little salt to taste. Remember, soya spice already has flavor, so don't add too much salt. Next, I'll add just a small amount of cooking oil. This helps the seasoning stick well to the fish. Also keeps the tilapia juicy whilst cooking. Now I'll mix everything together until well combined. Next, I'll massage the seasoning onto the tilapia very well. You can use your clean hands or a brush for this and you are good to go. Make sure you rub the seasoning into the cuts, inside the belly, and all over the fish. Take your time here. So the more you take care of this stage, the tastier your tilapia will be. Trust me. Once done, I'll leave the fish to rest for a few minutes so the seasoning can soak in properly. You know, fish doesn't take a longer time to marinate, so approximately 15 to 20 minutes should be okay. At this point, let me use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after resting, I'll place the tilapia into the air fryer. Air fryer helps the fish cook evenly and gives it a very nice crispy skin without too much oil. Allow the tilapia to cook until it's well done, golden and slightly crispy on the outside. Now let's move on to a pepper sauce. So in a blender, I'll add some onions, garlic, ginger, carrots, green pepper, and scallions. I'll add a little water and blend until everything is smooth. This mixture is what gives that rich aromatic pepper sauce. Next, I slice some green pepper and carrots. You can also use any vegetables of your choice, but these two works perfectly fine. Next, I'll heat a little oil in a frying pan and add the vegetables. I'll toast them gently for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to add a little onions to boost the flavor, okay? To elevate the taste, I'll add just a small amount of aromat shrimp seasoning. It is optional though, but trust me, it tastes so good after adding in the aromat seasoning. Just a little, and afterwards I'll stir fry everything for a few more minutes, then set it aside. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now in the same frying pan, I'll add my blended pepper mixture. I allow it to cook very well until the sauce thickens and the raw taste is completely gone. You will notice the color deepen and the aroma becomes richer. That's how you know it's ready, trust me. So now our tilapia is also ready. I'll go ahead and brush the pepper sauce generously all over the fish. Make sure it's well coated for maximum flavor. Then afterwards, I'll garnish it with the stir-fried vegetables, and trust me, you will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process. Just look at how palatable, colorful, and absolutely inviting this soya grilled pepper tilapia looks. The pepper has coated the fish so beautifully, and you can already tell that every bite is going to be packed with flavor. The vegetables on top add freshness, color, and a nice crunch that balance the heat from that pepper sauce. At this point, you can already smell that rich smoke aroma. This is the kind of tilapia that makes you hungry instantly, even before tasting your first bite. Just look at how juicy it looks like. I served mine with some fried yam, and trust me, this combination is everything. The sweetness from the yam complements the spicy soya pepper perfectly. Trust me, you need to try this recipe and you're going to love it. This recipe is simple, but the flavors are very rich. It doesn't require too much complicated ingredients, yet the end result tastes like something you'll buy from a very good grill spot. If you try this recipe at home, don't be afraid to adjust the pepper level to suit your taste. The choice is yours, trust me. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Cooking with Afia for more delicious homemade recipes. Thank you, and until next time, keep cooking, keep enjoying good food, and I'll see you in my next video.